All right, welcome to my little corner of YouTube. This is Chris's Corner, and we've got another video in the Star Wars Hallmark Keepsake Ornament series. We are into the year 2020, the year that has been horrible to a lot of us, socially distancing and having to deal with the pandemic. But I can tell you that the year has not all been bad. Collecting these ornaments throughout the year is always a joyous occasion for me with every new ornament that I do pick up throughout the year. And decorating the tree for the first time with these ornaments is always fun. And now I get the joy of sharing these ornaments and these videos with you. I do hope that brings you some joy as well. So what we have in front of us is the 2020 Princess Leia and Chewbacca from the Empire Strikes Back ornament or movie. It is an ornament that was $24.99 US or $31.99 Canadian, and you can find this ornament now in store. It is the year that this was released right now. If you can't find this ornament in store because it's sold out, head over to Amazon, eBay, or a third-party seller, and you should be able to find it for about the same price as what they were selling it in store. If you don't find it for the same price in store, your choice, how much you want to spend. I tend to try to find the cheapest one out there possible by doing a lot of searching. I know the sellers are trying to make a living for themselves, but sometimes paying 3 or 4 or 5 times the value of what it's really worth is not always worth that to spend. So this box is a 40th anniversary box of The Empire Strikes Back, and like I said, it is of Princess Leia and Chewbacca. Sadly, we have lost both Carrie Fisher and Peter Mayhew over the last few years, so this is a good ornament to keep them in our memory. And here they are. Very nice ornament, very nice detailed. Beautiful smile on Leia's face. Chewbacca seems very well. The detail in her dress is fantastic too. This is the first time I'm actually seeing this ornament with you. I have not opened this ornament before. As in other videos, I like to tell you that I have my own full-size 7'4" Chewbacca costume that I made myself. I will put that link of either pictures or video in here.
It's like a family tree, part of you and part of...
And coming out of that video, I do hope that we've shown you as well. Heather has a Leia costume. It may not be this one, but we have dressed up together and we raise money for a local charity here in town. It is a women's shelter for abused women and children. Been doing it since 1999. And I also wanted to say that if this channel ever does get monetized, 20% of anything that's brought in will be going as a donation to that charity. So please like, subscribe, and help monetize this channel. Anyway, I've got the eye hole here for a hook. I'll find a hook for it. I'll meet you over at the tree, and we'll try to find space for yet another ornament on this tree. It is quite full now. All right, welcome back to the tree. The tree is very full now. We've got all the ornaments on, including the tree topper. And of course the tree skirt. And as we pan down, you'll see we have a little house pet here. This is Belle making a nuisance of herself under the tree. This video is for the 2020 Princess Leia and Chewbacca. And as the tree passes, they come into view. There they are right there. I do hope that you've enjoyed this video. I do believe that I put in some pictures or video of me in my costume. And like I've said before, if this channel ever does get monetized, I will be giving 20% to the women's shelter that we've donated to over the past 30 years. 20% of everything that this channel brings in. I want to give back to the community. So if you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. There are more videos to come. There are videos that I'm missing, and there are always more Hallmark ornaments coming out yearly. But for now, one last time, this is the 2020 Princess Leia and Chewbacca standard ornament. And as he comes around with Leia one last time, here they come. I will say goodbye for now, and you have a very good day.